Hello everyone, this is a quick tips. Today in this video, I will show you how to calculate volume in SolidWorks. See, if you go to Mass Properties, you can find volume in this feature, but volume value is 0 cubic meter. Just follow this step to find the volume. Insert new part. Click the space for first reference. Make distance parameter to 170 mm. Check flip offset. OK. Go to Insert. Go to Feature. Active Intersect. Click Create Internal Region. Click this plane and this face for parameter. See, now you have part inside the balloon. OK. Now hide this intersect too. See, there is water inside the balloon. Hide this plane. Now go to Evaluate, Active Mass Properties. See, volume the balloon is 0.02 meter cubic. That is quick tips. See ya.